Canto,
Radio Time, Radio Time, Radio
Canto,
You're listening to Radio Time, Radio Time. Hello and welcome to week 37 of Radio Kai.
Okay, so we hope you enjoyed last week's show, yeah, when we interviewed Miss Bratwell from Camilla and the other one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we got our features this week for all of them, such as a mystery song, where we play 5 different songs from 5 different decades, and you have to guess which ones they are, the other one.
Yeah.
Also this week gone, we got history with Oshan as well.
Yeah.
Wonder where he's going to take us this week.
Don't know.
Oh, we have to find out on that one, haven't we, gone? And also, we've got Garge this week. Where are you taking us this week, Ethan?
Oh, I'm doing another new thing on it called Obscurities of America, where I tell the obscure stuff of American railroads.
Oh, that's going to be good, isn't it?
Ethan, cool.
Also, we've got Kieran's jokes here as well. Wonder what jokes he's going to be doing this week, gone?
Don't know.
We don't know yet, don't we? Have to wait and see. Also, we got something new. There's something a bit different here on the show this week. We got Lacey here.
Hey.
And she's going to be telling us the top 5 songs that were in the charts for this week. Get on.
Yeah.
Yes, and on the number 1, we'll have to play a song before Max and Peter Sports.
Yep, we got Max and Peter here. They're ready and fired up, ready for their sports news.
Yeah, oh, happy on.
And we also got our interview for this week. This week it's Lacey who's here from Cape Pimp.
Yeah.
And so before we start off today's show, we'd like to thank Kev Barth here on.
Yeah.
For mentioning our radio show on his breakfast show on Monday, on.
Yeah.
And we'd like to give him a massive thank you for that. And we hope you enjoyed your interview, Kev.
Yeah.
Kev, on.
Yeah.
And we'll start off today with Pop Music by
Hope you enjoy it.
America by M.
Okay, thank you, Don. Now we've got the mystery song, haven't we, Don?
Yeah.
Haven't we, Awesome?
Yeah.
And now this is a feature where we play out 5 different songs, yeah, Don?
Yeah.
From the 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, and noughties, yeah, Don?
Yeah.
And you guys have to guess which songs they are.
Here comes the mystery voice.
Mystery boy. Mystery boy.
Here's our first song for this week.
If you really want, but you must try. Try it.
Song number 2 for this week.
Beautiful day.
Song number 3 for this week.
Gonna break down your defenses one by one.
Song number 4 week.
Number 5 this week.
I swear to God, when I come home, I'll never.
We got the thunder clap.
Okay, thank you, Don. What song we got here next now?
Ghostbusters by Ray Jr.
That's this song is
Strange in your neighborhood, who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! If it's something weird and it don't look good, who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. If you're seeing things running through your head, who can you call? Ghostbusters! An invisible man sleeping in your bed. Oh, who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! If you're all alone, pick up the phone and call. Ghostbusters! I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I hear he likes the girls. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Yeah, 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 yeah. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! If you've had a dose of a freaky ghost, baby, you better call. Something. Bustin' makes me feel good. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Don't get caught alone, oh no. When it comes through your door, unless you just want some more, I think you better call Ghostbusters! Ow! Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! Think you better call Ghostbusters! Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! I can't hear you. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters!
last one was Ghostbusters by Ray Parkin Jr. We got the history now, do we? So, we're going to where today? So where today, Dion?
It's World War II today, Ash.
Yes, it's World War II. So, it's in the World War II today, and I'll be reading it out today. There's no video today. Is that alright, Dion?
Yeah.
No video, just
No.
reading it out?
Yeah.
Good. So, during World War II, Wales played a vital role by hosting evacuees and secret weapons programs, but also suffered a significant damage from bombing raids, particularly in Cardiff and Swansea City, which was heavily attacked in 1941. Also, my Tide, Great Tide, had 2 medals, just to let you know, from World War II, and he's been doing World War II ever since he started, and then I don't really know everything about it because I haven't met him anymore. He died, but he got a medal. He called Alfred. So I don't know if anyone knows because you're not in that age, but if you do know, it's called Alfred. Anyway, let's just go back. So, Welsh servicemen fought in all major threats with 1,000 killed, while the home front ended Riddle Tyne in Blackhouse and the contribution of Bevin Boys. Bevin Boys? Anyone who Bevin Boys is? Because I don't know. No one knew that either. To the coal mines. Well, Cardiff and Swansea, these were the most heavily targeted Welsh cities during the war, experiencing intense bombing raids. Destruction in Swansea, a raid in February 1941 destroyed half the city centre, and in Cardiff over 500 houses were demolished and 305 civilians killed. So, impact that you want to know. Well, the raid caused widespread damage and civilians forcing people to take shelter in Anderson shelters or public face lights. So, also we got evacuation to Wales, I think. Is it? Yeah, Wales served a safe haven for people in information evacuated from England major cities, and also hosted, goodness me, I can't even say that word, 100 million child evacuees. War economy. The war stimulated the economy with increased wages and new experience of unemployment. Daily life. People lived under Blackhouse, dealt with food rating, and faced the constant threat of bombing, which required resilience and community spirit. World War II was the most destructive conflict in human history, fought between 1939 and 1945 by opposing military alliance. The Allies, led by Britain, the US, and the Soviet Union, and the Axis power, namely Germany, Italy, and Japan. The war began after Germany invaded Poland and spread global, resulting in millions of deaths. The Holocaust, where 6 million Jews were murdered, and the use of my first atomic bombs on Japan. It ended with the surrounding of Germany in May 1945 and Japan in September 1945. It involved more than 50 nations and more than 100 million soldiers. Total war countries and all sides mobilized virtual all of their resources in the pursuit of total war. Civilian surfing air raids destroyed cities, leading to massive civilian casualties and deaths for them. The war began on September 1939, the first. It ended the war in 1945. Good. So, the next song we got, is I'm Still Standing by Elton John. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you next week.
Your blood like winter freezes just like ice, and there's a cold and lonely light that shines from you. You wind up like the wreck you hide behind the standing, you just fade away. Don't you know I'm still standing, better than I ever did. Looking like a true survivor, feeling like a little kid. And I'm still standing after all this time, picking up the pieces of my life without you on my mind. I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Once I never could have hoped to win. You're starting down the road and leaving me again. The threats you made were meant to cut me down. And if my love was just a circus, you'd be a clown by now. No, I'm still standing, better than I ever did. Looking like a true survivor, feeling like a little kid. I'm still standing after all this time, picking up the pieces of my life without you on my mind. I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah. Know that I'm still standing, better than I ever did. Looking like a true survivor, feeling like a little kid. I'm still standing after all this time, picking up the pieces of my life without you on my mind. I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 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 I'm still standing.
Here's Great American Railroad Journeys with Ethan. The Chicago and Illinois Midland Railroad needed small, efficient locomotives that are light, modern, and efficient for 2 daily round-trip trains between Springfield and Peoria, Illinois. In Gardner's own take on Calian Productions' bite-sized oddities, which I call Obscurities of America, I'll tell you about the C&IM's A1440s. The three are built by Bolton Locomotive Works in 1927 for numbers 500 and 501. And in 1928, that's the last member, 502. With 64-inch diameter driving wheels, 118,000 pounds engine weight, 109,000 pounds, 960 pounds in the tender, totaling up to 228,360 pounds in total mass. A 180 psi boiler producing 1,412 square feet, 18 by 24 inch cylinders, an attractive effort of 18,500 pounds. And Woolshot's valve gear. They mastered the 2 to 3 car trains with ease between Springfield and Peoria, but after World War II, passenger traffic declined, and as such, 2 daily round-trip trains were reduced to 1. Because 2 engines are needed, 501 was sold and most likely scrapped. The last 2 soldiered on until 1953, and then cut up for scrap. Oh well, although the Red River and Gulf No. 104 General 2 and San Antonio and FAPRR No. 60 Texas 2 are still around at the Stone-Mounted Scenic Railroad. Next we got Keon's jokes, but before that, what's new in O Gauges? We'll be back for week 38 with autumn releases, to be exactly accurate.
Got the UK charts for this week. At number 5 we got Ordinary by Alex Warren. At number 4 is we got Man in Need by Olivia Dean. At number 3 we got Ed Sheeran with Sapphire. At number 2, everyone's favourite film, K-pop Demon Hunter song, Rui, Mira and Zoe and all of the cast from the movie Golden. And at number 1, the top one, the song from Wednesday Addams season 2 on Netflix is The Dead Dance by Lady Gaga. So we're playing the number 1 chart song. It's The Dead Dance by Lady Gaga from Wednesday Addams from series 2 that's coming out on Netflix. Hope you enjoy it.
Like the words of a song, I hear you call. Like a thief in my head, you criminal. You stole my thoughts before I dreamed them, and you killed my queen with just one pawn. This goodbye is no surprise. This goodbye won't make me cry. Can I keep on dancing until I'm dead? Dancing until I'm dead. I'm dancing until I'm dead. Yeah, I'll keep on dancing until I'm dead. I'm dancing till I'm dead. When you killed me inside, that's when I came alive. Yeah, the music started to bring me back from death. Dancing until I'm dead. Dancing till I'm dead. You've created a creature of the night. Now I'm haunting your air, your soul, your eyes. This goodbye is no surprise. This goodbye won't make me cry. Can I keep on dancing until I'm dead? Dancing until I'm dead.
Hey, Mr. Red.
Okay, thank you, Don, for that. And now here's our latest updates from around the school, yeah, Don?
Yeah.
With all the latest that's happening around the school. First of all, on Saturday we are invited to play Samba, aren't we, Don?
Yeah.
This is a part of the Earth Discovered celebration, yeah, Don?
Yeah.
Which is coming to Monterey this year, yeah, Don?
Yeah.
Next year. And also Jack McGreevy from King's Pedway, yeah, Don?
Yeah.
He has been on the train, he's got to sit in the driver's seat in Candino Junction on Saturday, yeah, Don?
Yeah.
Hope you had a good time on Saturday, Jack, yeah, Don?
Yeah.
And also, today Cynradd Pedwar have been busy, haven't they? Experimenting with different colours. Wonder how they can manage to do that, Don? I think they were painting, weren't they, Don?
Yeah.
Would you paint with colours, Don?
Yeah.
So when we were little, we used to do something similar like that, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, experimenting with different colours and stuff.
Yeah.
And also today, Erin. You know who Erin is, Don?
Yeah, from Canal Die.
And she has been starting doing dance lessons, yeah, Don?
Yeah.
With Jackie from Dwinwan, yeah, I think. Or is it Jacqueline from Cape Pedwell? We don't know.
I don't know.
Jodie, apparently. Jodie.
Ah, yeah, Jodie, yeah.
Yeah.
Jodie. From Dwinwan, yeah.
Yeah.
And good job, Erin, for doing dance lessons, yeah, Don?
Yeah.
And also, Max wants to say something here today. What do you want to say to us, Max?
Little us be on the cruise ship,
Oh.
Dalton football team.
Oh, do you know where he's been?
From the league station, don't know where he been.
Well, it says here he's been to France, Spain, and Italy, yeah?
Yes.
Go on.
Yeah.
We all hope he had a good time, yeah, Max?
Yeah, the Dalton football team in.
Oh, we also got more news here. It says here Nia Half from Theatre Ilfrid Mon has invited us. Has invited Canal Die and Kate Pedwar, yeah, Dawn?
Yeah.
To go some drama lessons. And I bet they're very excited to do it, aren't they, Dawn?
Yeah.
We hope Kieran and Jack have a good time on Wednesday going out, yeah, Dawn?
Yeah.
Good luck to them, yeah?
Yeah.
I think that's all the news we got now, yeah, Dawn?
Yeah.
Do you want to tell us what the next song is?
In the Middle by Michael Mann.
Okay, thank you, Don.
Let me tell you about the Manfreds, the music that they're putting down. They started to play one rainy day, and the people came from miles around. They didn't come for the rhythm, they didn't come for the beat. The people of the town came just to stand around and see the singer looking sweet. Mike Hunt plays the drums, yeah. Tom McGinnis lays it down on the bass. But the one in the middle sings, hey diddle diddle cat, he's just a pretty face. They didn't come for the rhythm, they didn't come for the beat. The people of the town came just to stand around and see the singer looking sweet. They couldn't have. Manfred Mann plays the organ, Mike Vickers plays guitar, and there's a geezer called Paul who's so thin and so tall and so wants to be a star. They didn't come for the rhythm, they did not come for the beat. Oh no, the people singer looking sweet. See the singer looking. See the singer looking. Well, see the singer looking. Watch me now. See the singer looking. Oh, oh yeah. See the singer looking. Yeah, see the singer looking. Sweet.
Sometimes I sit, yeah, feeling alone. No one to talk to, I got no telephone, yeah. And at night I wake up, I just lie and stare. Come on and save me from this nightmare. Silver, here comes the Lone Ranger. He's riding on down to rescue me. Silver, here comes the Lone Ranger. He's riding on down to rescue me. I know the road I must take with the wink of my eye. I leave all friends behind like old alibis. I'll take all they throw against me. I'll make a stand for truth and justice and for the common man. Silver. Here comes the Lone Ranger. He's riding on down to rescue me. Silver. Here comes the Lone Ranger. He's riding on down to rescue me. And I guess it took some time for me to decide if he was just my hero or my friend. Watching with my innocent eyes, your silver stallion ride across my room. I'd listen as they cried. Silver. Here comes the Lone Ranger. He's riding on down to rescue me. Rescue me. Silver. Here comes the Lone Ranger. He's riding on down to rescue me. Silver. Here comes the Lone Ranger. He's riding on down to rescue me. Silver. Here comes the Lone Ranger. He's riding on down.
Now here's your answers for the mystery song for this week. Let's see who got them correctly. Shall we go on? So our 60 song was gone.
You can get it if you really want.
And that's by Desmond Decker, yeah, Dawn?
Yeah.
And our 70 song was Beautiful Sunday by Daniel Boone, yeah, Dawn?
Yeah.
Well, what do you do on Sundays gone?
Out in the family with the family.
And I do that as well on the Sundays, yeah, Dawn?
Yeah.
Here we have nice food and stuff on the Sundays, don't we?
Yeah.
You go out to a lot of places, don't you? What do you do on Sunday, Max?
Just go and see my granddad.
What do you do on Sunday, Josh?
Just chill.
Yeah. What do you do on Sunday, Lacey?
Did the same thing as Oshine.
Ah, okay.
What, chilling? What, chilling?
Pete, what do you do on Sunday?
I might come.
Oh, okay.
I might.
And I know most people watch the football on TV on Sundays as well, yeah, Max. I know what AC song was going.
You Win Again by the Bee Gees.
I know Nancy song was No More I Love Yous by Annie Lennox, yeah, go on. I know, what was that one Naughty song going?
Feel Like a Star by James Arthur.
Okay, so that's all your mystery song answers for this week. Make sure to come back next week, because maybe the songs might be harder, the other one.
Yeah.
And now here we got Osha now with the leaderboard answers.
We got the leaderboard. First one is number 7. We got Shwiver. They got 0 out of 15. Also, Kev got 5 out of 15. Number 6. Well done. Number 5 for this week is Caroline. They got 9 out of 15. Well done. Number 4 for this week is Cynradd Pimp. Got 11 out of 15. Number 3 for this week is Cynradd Chwech. Got 12 out of 15. Also, Cynradd Dau got 12 out of 15. Number 2 for this week is Cain Pedwar. Got 13 out of 15. Now, number 1 for this week is Dwynwen. They got 15 out of 15. Oh yeah, also, there's a lot, so get ready. Cain Tean, they got 15 out of 15. Cain Dau got 15 out of 15. Cynradd Tree got 15 out of 15. Cynradd Pedwar got 15 out of 15. Also, Cain Tree got 15 out of 15. Cynradd Dau got 15 out of 15. And Cynradd Ian got 15 out of 15. Now, well done you. The next one will be... Next one is Can't Get Out of My Head by Ruli Minogue by Lacey from Cain to Pim. She likes the song. So, goodbye for now.
Boy, your love
my two creatures, the son of Matacarbus. So this week starting to use the waggons and rocking to singing find your England Griffith from and use it with this characters. Got one of the win. As it has got this start use with only one very good boxing man and also British boxing nuggets. He had a lot of things. He's got Manchester City. He's from Manchester City. He's manager boxes. And we got them Cup match and role assistant actors. And got them programs with this. This is related to, but it might be well 2 weeks a bit of forward. And you can go Rocket League actually with this iterated thing. It is their home. Got Mrs. Spears. So the first name is E. The second name is A. So it's going to go the baby. So we've got blues here. So he bugged. He's like it. So we've got blues there. And we did something sick. College 60 British West Ham, 1 to British Wall, who the win. Back to mystery. Back to mystery. And do you know this is the first night? He is the second night. Because I do. He played Wales players and he plays in the National United. And the Goblins who hold out well, okay, our Goblins is Aussie, right? So who to win the F1 this week? I want to who to win. Either Dunga card or that's the thing. So who to win the song out in this week? So that's it to get started. So let's try to be a cheater. Let's talk about a massacre campus. So bye.
song was Dancing in the Street by David Bowie.
Okay, thank you, Dylan, for that. Now we've got somebody who's been on the radio card before, haven't we, Osh? And
Yeah.
Max. Yep. And we've got Lacey back here with us. How are you, Lacey?
I'm so good, thank you very much.
You're welcome. And are you looking forward to your interview today?
Yep.
Right then. So our first question we've got here for you is, how do you find it being here in Cape Town?
I find it really great to be with you boys, especially Max and Peter and Ethan, who are the guards, and Mr. Williams here, and Iswin and Chloe, the best staff in the world, by Catherine and Mr. Edwards, apparently.
Oh.
You go anywhere over the summer holiday?
Yes, I went to the Ariana Grande and Olivia Rodrigo tribute in Abergele in the Monfort Farm Park. Really great.
Wow.
Who is your favourite pop star?
Olivia Rodrigo indeed, and Ariana Grande too.
Why would you pick them, Lacey?
Because they're the best duo. That's why I love them.
Ah, that's good to hear, mate. Yeah. Our fourth question here for you is, what are your hopes for the future to come?
I'll be going to college next year in Colin in Llangefni.
What will you be doing in Colin?
Fashion. That's like my parents told me.
What? Fashion, Dawn? Have you ever heard of them doing fashion in Colin before?
No.
Have you, Max?
Nope.
Have you, Ocean?
Nope.
Never have I either.
Would you rather spend the night at the mountain or spend the night at the cruise ship?
I'll stay a night in the mansion because the food is literally the worst one. It smells disgusting in there.
Oh. You agree with that, Dawn? Where would you rather spend the night, mate?
A mountain.
A mansion. Where would you rather spend the night, Ocean?
Yeah, Manson.
Yeah, same here. Where would you rather spend the night at, Max?
Valley.
Valley. Here we say mansion or cruise ship. Which one?
Cruise ship.
Oh, why would you pick a cruise ship, Max?
There's my night beyond it.
Cool, yeah, Max.
You know those cruise ships? Yeah.
Which type of music do you like listening to?
Well, I like listening to pop music, dance music, rock music, any sort of music.
Would you have a favourite song in those genres?
Olivia Rodrigo in this pop one. Rock one, Fall Out Boy, Troy, Nero. It's actually my favourite band at the moment.
Okay. Okay, so question 7 here for you is, what is the best and worst thing about having a twin sister?
Well, the best thing is she enjoys herself much often at home, just playing computer and watching TV. But the worst part is she's diagnosed with epilepsy and she has a seizure and we just got rushed to hospital this morning. And apparently, sorry, she had lots of seizures throughout the holidays.
No. That is really terrible, isn't it, Dawn?
Yeah.
Isn't it, Ethan? Matt, Social?
Another feeling.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hope she's gonna be okay.
Yeah, we hope your twin sister
Thank-
Lucy recovers soon, yeah?
Yeah, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed.
Hopefully.
Have you ever been on the airplane before? If so, where have you been?
I've been on an airplane before. Just went to Lanzarote recently.
What did you go in Lanzarote?
We just go out for hyperdino, go out for food, have drinks. My dad has a beer and my mum has a wine. Yep.
Would you drink beer and wine, Dawn?
Yeah.
Would you, yeah? What about you, Osh?
I would drink beer though, not wine.
Would you drink beer or wine, Max?
Beer.
Yeah. If I was 18, I would drink beer as well.
Yep, like the Simpsons.
But we've only got a year left until we're 18, unfortunately.
Oh, how sad is that? How sad is that? I'm 18 this year.
Oh, yeah, brilliant.
What about Mr. Williams?
He gets a drink.
Yeah. What is your favourite football team and why?
I like Liverpool and Red Bull as an F1 driver because Red Bull and Liverpool are better than Aston Villa and McLaren. Right, Ethan?
What football team do you support them on?
Man United.
And why do you pick Man United?
The best.
Yes.
No, Swansea's better.
Yeah.
Nah.
Why do you think Swansea's better, Osh?
Because Man United is in the bin.
Oh.
Nah, Red Bull,
you
Red Bull,
much?
Red Bull.
Lando better than Red Bull.
Oh.
Better than Master Daffin.
No, Red Bull's better than Lando. Lando just crashed.
The Master Daffin, the fastest Daffin, the finger cranger.
Oh.
Yeah. Lando in the bin, it's his then.
Okay, so our final question, number 10, is which song do you want to finish off the show off with this week?
Oh, please, 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 can I have Promises by Nero, please?
Okay, it's your thing. We'll finish off with Nero with Promises, yeah, Dawn?
Yeah.
And we'd like to thank Lacey for coming here for another interview.
Oh, thanks very much. I'm the first child to be second interview alongside Ian Hedges, who thinks about Christmas stuff all the time.
Oh, you're welcome. We'd like to thank Osh for coming on here as well.
Yeah.
Thank you, Osha.
You're welcome.
And we'll see you next week for week 38 of Radio Caribbean.
Take care for now. Bye.
You got me so wild.
this, and we hope you've enjoyed this week's edition of Radio Code. We'll see you next week. Bye for now.
Bye.
تحية الضوء إلى كان تحية الضوء إلى كان
You're listening to Radio Town.